Asia, what are you doing? Asia, where's your eye? Show me. Hey, hey. Asia, look at mama. Hey, what? Where's your nose? You don't want to show me where your nose is?
No.
No, you need to sit on the bottom. Where's your belly? That is your belly, huh? Where's your eye? Where's your hair? Where's your elbow? No, your elbow's here. Okay? Where's your nose?
No.
No? Hey, look at mama. Look what I got. Careful. What does the cow say? Boo. You can do it. Asia, what does the cow say? Hey, hey. What does the cow say? Hey, I know you know what a cow says. Okay, that's enough.
No.
Does the cow say moo? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, bye.